Compare Quotes is an independent company that hand selects the most reliable, professional and affordable businesses in the trade and service industries. The following business has consistently met our standards and they are a supplier that we can highly recommend.
I'm Marcelo from Chevron Electrical and Air Conditioning. We're an electrical and air conditioning contractor that specialise anything electrically, like a power point, rewire a house, new installation, fixing up switchboards, stoves, elements, hot waters, anything to do electrical. With air conditioning, we specialise in obviously new installations, refits, retrofits, ducted systems, split systems, anything that's old that needs to be replaced, we specialise in that work. Chevron can cater for residential and commercial clients, anything small to large, from start to finish. We provide an excellent service for our clients. We provide sales, installation support, we do the whole lot.
Well, Marcelo from Chevron really laid out point by point what we were buying and purchasing, so the quote was really detailed as well. We knew exactly what we were getting and how much everything was, and Chevron were just great for turning up on time and just doing the work that was quoted as well, and it was really reasonable. We'd had a look around and they were really good value for money. Marcelo was just friendly as well and didn't make us feel like we didn't know what was going on. He took the time to explain everything, and also just cleaning up after himself, which was really important to me, not to leave a big mess. He actually turned up, did the work as quoted and left it in fantastic shape. Nothing was dirty or damaged.
If a customer is obviously requiring to see things on display, you're more than welcome to pop past, visit our showroom. You can view everything firsthand and have a coffee and discuss your next project.
One of the nicest things about hiring Marcelo and Chevron was that he's just such an approachable person. He almost feels like a friend to us. He's not just given us a really good investment for the house and also a really great product, but you can tell he's passionate about what he does and he really enjoys what he does. And for me, that's a really important thing, to have somebody come into your home and actually is just someone who's easy to work with and really enjoys what he's doing. So I definitely give Chevron a call, and Marcelo was great.
My favourite part of the working day is leaving the customer's home, everything packed up, showed the customer how the system works, and seeing a smile in the customer's face, them telling me thank you Marcelo for a great job. That is the ultimate.